Okay, ito po ang PLBL Basketball Golf featuring na the 6th game for the day between Navy Troopers clad in white versus Ayesh and Friends clad in white and blue combination po ha. Mamaya po yan, maglaro po sila between Ayesh and Friends and Navy Troopers po. Please about they will start on time po talaga. Ito pang liga namang alamat, liga naman sikat, PLBL Basketball League. Maraming salamat po and it's game time. Okay, congrats on winning the game, Ayesh and Friends. Final score is 90-82. Ayesh and Friends and Company po yan. Yan po ha. 90-82 pong final score po over Team Qatar Navy Troopers. Okay, mamaya sino po pa? Okay, ito po ang best model, si number 22, si Lasatin, Jaime Lasatin. Oh, diyan ka lang, isi ka lang. Next, sino po? Si Adriano, partner nga, Adriano. Okay, group photo. Okay, congratulations Mr. Lasatin and Adriano Lasatin. Buong para nasa kondisyon ka pa rin hanggang ngayon ha.
Yes, ginawa ko lang pinagagawa ng coach kaya ginawa ko yung
Ha?
okay din.
Okay. Ayun o, sa Adriano, huwag ka magtago. Nagtatago ka eh. Ano, sige ano? Sir, yung mga stops mo talaga mukhang nagbigay.
First time ko maglaro sa PLBL.
First time po PLB. Okay po. Okay now.
Anong sabon niyo po? Anong sabon niyo po?
Teka. Okay, what to expect now in Ayesh and Friends for the next and following games? Adriano, sige. More wins to come, of course. Sir, hindi pa tapos. Sir Lasatin.
More defense.
Okay, ito po ngayon. Ito, pinakantay po natin. 1 minute, shout out. Mr. Adriano. Sige, bati mo gustong batiin.
Shoutout sa mga anak ko sa Bicol.
Okay, Uragon.
Ayun sa Giana Basketball.
Okay, Giana Basketball talaga. And also, good luck pala sa third game nyo. And also, Mr. Lasatin. Mana na. Shoutout po, sir. Shoutout po.
Na-support, thank you kay Lord. Second sa family ko.
Okay.
Saka sa team ng Ayesh and Friends.
Okay, thank you po muli po. And we're now out. 3, 2, 1.